Yeah.
At least 4 or 5 years.
So, you know, I'm not a football fan, but I watch football.
They had a young, working hard, you know.
Right now, I just like the way
Hey, hey, you know what, Derek? I'm not a football fan, but I watch football sometimes. Yeah, I got football on my YouTube channel, man. No, man. From PlayStation 2, you know. Oh, what's up, y'all? I'm back on Facebook Live, like I said I was. Still at my auntie's party, okay? I had to step out because, you know. All right. Oh, the game? All right. Here go the family, y'all. The rest of the family inside and stuff like that. You know? All right, so disregard the music in the background once again. Okay. All right.
When you come bring some of that money over here.
Oh yeah, look at the sun, y'all. All right. All right. I covered that. All right, that's better because the lens was messing up, y'all. That's all. You know. The camera on me. Okay. So anyway, y'all. They're Facebook Live, Instagram Live, and stuff like that. So that's what I do, you know. I think I need to bring my go to Instagram Live as well. I'm gonna upload that on YouTube as well. Okay. So and by the way, the other night I was talking to Iris P on the phone. I was talking to Iris P not on the phone on Instagram Live. Okay. So that's why I was talking to y'all. Okay. All right.
That's all you need.
That's all you need on any given night. You beat a strong, powerful team.
Yeah. You can start getting that in the head again.
All right. What a show. You know. It's a blessing. Wait for Ferrari's graduation. It's gonna be on Facebook Live only, y'all. Facebook Live, you know. Facebook Live only. About to all right. So yeah. All right. So yeah. All right. All right.
Jacket? Huh?
Well, I'll be done. Look at the bus. The bus right there and another bus. Well, Well, I'm not going to catch the bus yet. You know? There are two buses right there. It's the same kind of bus. You know? A shorter bus. Yep. So, Elroy, do you know how I got here? Take a guess how I got here. Yep, on the bus. Oh, there go a birthday lady right there, y'all. Yep.
Caught the bus down here?
Yep, I sure did. All right. Hey, Riley. And wait for our graduation, ladies and gentlemen. She graduating from Warren Easton. Class of 2022. Yay! And here's the proud big sister right here. Yay! Bubblegum faces. All right.
I got a little something. I said Jane. I said my cousin. I
All right.
be with you when we gone now. I know. Wait, what happened? I said America gotta be with you when we gone. I got her, baby. I got her. Thank you, baby. I come see my father time, I make sure she gotta make sure my mom and them got away back.
Y'all hear that? Yeah, hear that? Oh. Uh-oh. I need to show her the picture of my mom, though. Anything you want to say, D? All right. Yeah, here's the proud sister of Riley. So she graduated from Warren Easton. And it's the proud mom right here. Well, it's my auntie party. My bad on that one. All right. Yeah. Wait till y'all see the graduation, y'all. Gotta be there. Oh, Riley gonna bash me into a million blobs of applesauce. And, say, all right. I better go to Riley's graduation, or she gonna bash me into a million blobs of applesauce. Yeah. Because she want me to record the show. She gonna bash me into a million blobs of applesauce. Yeah. Bash me into a million boxes of cornflakes. Rusty cornflakes, y'all. Rusty cornflakes. Do anybody eat rusty cornflakes? Who eats rusty cornflakes? Not me. Derek, you don't eat rusty cornflakes, huh?
No.
Okay, no, nobody eats rusty cornflakes. People gonna ask me, what is rusty cornflakes? I don't know what rusty cornflakes is, or rusty frosted flakes, or rusty Cheerios, or Rice Krispies. Rice Krispies. All right. So anyway, y'all, about to stop this tape, but I ain't going home yet. I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm going home. Okay. Rusty box of cornflakes. All right. Bye.